Hey guys, QuickFix here. This is a 2005 Toyota 4Runner 4-wheel drive V6. I'm gonna show you guys how to change the front brake pads. Pretty much that's it. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Alright, so remove these six 21mm lug nuts. Now, of course, you want to jack it up, get on jack and jack stands, and remove the brake reservoir cap, and put the handbrake on so the vehicle doesn't roll back on you. Alright, so these wheels tend to get stuck. So I'm going to show you how I take them off. Use your back heel and just hit the tire. There we go. Let's see how these guide pins look. Yeah, they're moving pretty good. So hopefully I won't have to fight too much taking them out. Pads are fine. You just want to do them all around. But I'm going to show you guys how to do the front. In the next video I'll show you how to do the rear. So I'll show you what's next. First thing we're going to do, remove these safety pins. Make sure you do not lose these. This is what keeps the pin in place. Do not want to lose this. Okay, put these in a safe place. Now, since the pins are in really good condition, I don't have to hammer them. Take them out by hand. And these are big enough for you not to misplace them. And now I just take a pry bar and I just pry against the brake pad like so. Get this pad out. Well, the top. I'm prying against the brake rotor and pushing on the pad like so. And once this pad comes out, I use the same pad to push the piston, plural pistons, in. Feels pretty good. Alright, and with this one, I'm just trying to get all that rust up. I just scrape down there. Get as much as you can. A foul will be good, or better. But this is what I'm using. Go up top, the same thing. I want to change this caliper soon, it's starting to disintegrate. Scraping. Alright, let's get a brake cleaner and get all that dust out. Before I get my brake cleaner and clean that surface, get this out, get a new brake pads, take some anti-seize, get them on the top of both pads, top and bottom. Like so. I spray a touch of this. Instead of using the anti-seize, and you take one pad, come over to the vehicle, get that dust up, get inside the pistons, go. Let me straighten her out some. Okay. There we go. And we got one in. And let's do this one. Let's see if I can push her in some. She'll allow me to. No. Alright. See if I can push this pad in. Okay. Just about to come out. Let's get back there again. A little more. This way. She probably won't come out because it's so rusty right there. Alright, let's see if I can push this caliper in some. Well, I got some leverage here. No. Alright, let's take her out all the way. Come on, girl. Be nice to me. Maybe she's not straight. Let's get her straight. Probably be fine. If I can get a guide pin, pull it towards me, get better leverage. There we go. Go. Yeah, we're going to clean up that rust. Oh, she's stuck still. See if I got enough leverage. Take her out now. Yep. Okay. Alright, now let's push this piston in. Went in pretty good. Go. Here we go. And the other side, usually these will push out. So just make sure they're good. Alright. Let's clean her up. Try to get all that dust up. As much as you can. And the anti-seize will slow that down for you. Slow that rust. Okay. Alright, let's get the top now. Okay. Alright, now let's get the other pad. Before I get the other pad, I want to clean these up. Use a wire brush or wire wheel. Put this to the side. Now let's clean her up on this side. Stuff hasn't been cleaned in a while, so you're gonna need some penetrating oil. Let's just try to scrub that in while I'm spraying it. I'm gonna let this one stick too while this sits in that oil. will sit in the oil while you clean the other one. Alright, let's try it again. Try to get as much as you can. I'm using this to try to agitate the rust so it'll come off easier while my air compressor provides more air for me. Let's see now. Alright, there we go. It's a lot better. Now you take your anti-seize, add some on the end there. God, it's starting to get windy. It's probably going to rain soon on me. Let me hurry this up. Just one side. Now do the same to this. Well, I won't show you, but you'll see when I'm done. Now you take your pad. I put anti-seize on the ears as well. You just place your pad in. There we go. Like so. Then you take your top pin, go all the way through. Just push this pad towards me somewhere so we can align it. Put it on. Push it towards me a little bit more. There we go. Same thing to the bottom pin. Let's just go straight through here. There we go. Alright, now let's get our hardware. Okay, and then you take your hardware and you just push it through. Like so. Same down here. There you go, and you're done. Now let's put this wheel back on. You want? Give it one last spray. There's also supposed to be clips here that go inside the pad, so I think keep them spread apart so you don't have to worry about touching the rotor. But as you can tell, when we first started, they weren't on here, so just give it one last clean, and now let's put this wheel back on. Okay, there's one. Start these all by hand. There we go. Now let's tie these down. Alright, now we're gonna let this blow down and torque these lug nuts. Alright, now let's torque these lug nuts. Alright guys, see you guys on a test drive. Alright, once you're done, come to the front of the vehicle. It's down here. Now let's put this cap back on. There we go. Shut the hood. Let's get inside. Shut her up. Pump the brakes until it firms. Alright, let's put the vehicle in reverse and take it for a test drive. Oh, no one's coming. Alright, I'm all the way out here now anyway. So far so good. No strange noises. Car coming? No. Alright. We got a red light. Oof, okay. Kinda really close to the highway, so I have to figure this bad boy out. Definitely don't want to pay a toll. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure this one out. It's too close to the highway. East, what exit is that? Oh, 309 north. Go. Some wipers. Okay, here we go. That's all we had to do. Brake feels good. Knew the rotors were good. Just had to change the pads. There we go. Alright, thank you guys. Always remember, for better, faster service, QuickFix here.